Maybe I can smoke it on. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today is a wig review from a brand that I love, BeautyForever. I love their new packaging. This brown tissue paper is so cute. Of course, their lace is super thin, great color. It's a closure wig. It does have comb in the back and adjustable straps. I went ahead and braided my hair down just really lightly because I had just flat ironed my hair. I do have a natural hair update coming up soon for you guys. Yeah, because I'm letting my hair grow out for once finally. So I did use the cap that came in the package, and then I'm trying out this silicone lace band to just hold my wig in place, and I actually like how it did. It was a little tight though, so I might need to get like a bigger size. So this is just trying it on and seeing how it fits, and I was like, ooh, girl, not you looking fire just straight out the pack, okay? All I need to do is just add a little, you know, complexion to make it blend, and that's it. So it is a closure, so I went ahead and just pulled my sideburns out, the side of my edges. I started with a brown powder, and I was like, no, I think I need to use black. So I went back over that with black, and it blended perfectly. It fit behind my ear perfectly, and you know, this is just a little hack if you know, you want your wig behind your ear and it's showing the side of your hairline, because my hairline is pretty thick around the front and the sides. So that's how I did that, and then later I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my own hair as well as the wig just to make it blend even better. So now to make the lace blend with my skin tone, I went in with a shade that's 2 shades darker than my skin tone. This is what I typically do, especially if I'm going to be wearing makeup. If you're not going to be wearing makeup, this trick might not work because you might need to wear a tone that's closer to your skin tone. But I go darker because around my forehead I do use contour, which is darker than my skin tone. So that's why I do that. So I just grab a makeup brush and just add it to the edge of the wig. So I know, I get it. It does not match my skin tone, but trust the process. It is a process. There's several more steps, and trust it will blend by the end of the video. And so now that that step is done, I went ahead and did the middle section. You can kind of see the wig cap and the band there. So I just added a little powder and just blended it in. So now we're going to add the Nairobi foam, and that is going to make the, you know, lace kind of melt a little bit, and it's also going to help the blending process. So this is a really important step. I know that they have mousse that already has the color to it. I haven't tried that yet, but you know, this works good this way as well. So I went ahead and did my makeup, and it took the lace melt band off, and you see the results are really, really nice using this method. I really like it. It looks very natural to me, and of course it's still glueless. No glue, no adhesive, no spray. Now you can go ahead and do that step if you like, but you can wear this wig glueless just this way. So I went ahead and grabbed my Babyliss flat ironed the hair, flat ironed my own hair that is around my sideburn area, and that is pretty much the end of, you know, getting this wig together. Make sure you check the link down below as well as the coupon code so that you guys can try this wig out for yourself, and stay tuned for my final thoughts. Oh, and make sure you're subscribed. Hello, subscribe. All right, and here is the end result. I love this wig. I love the fact that it's glueless, 100% glueless. Looks amazing on. I did do a little bit of work on this, but nothing too crazy that took a long time. The longest thing I did was my makeup. So absolutely, definitely recommend this unit. This unit is going to be really easy for you to install, especially if you're a beginner. I love that about this wig, and I love that you can just kind of like, you know, just take her off, put her back on the next day, you know, and she's pretty much good to go. I like the texture on it too. It's got that, you know, coarseness that's nice. It's like that black girl coarseness, but it's not too coarse that it's like hard or crunchy. It still flows really pretty, but it has like a nice little texture to it. So definitely love that. I'm loving this. BeautyForever is a great brand as well. They've been around forever. I've been working with BeautyForever for forever. And I definitely recommend their hair. Quality is always good. Customer service always bomb. You can reach out to them on, you know, Instagram or email them. So they're pretty good about that. Definitely will be trying some more of their hair because it just is set up really nice for you to just do what you got to do and look good without too much work. So I don't know what else to say about it. If I missed anything, respond to you guys if you comment anything, any questions that you have, and I will leave the link to this hair down below as well as a coupon code if they provide me with one, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Make sure you do one thing for me. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure if you have been subscribed, you are still subscribed, and share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.
Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going.